Hello, this is a video on how to change out the fuel injectors on a 2009 Toyota Sienna. What I've found out is very simple, but what most people are not telling you on how to replace the fuel injectors is that it's extremely easy. It's so easy, it's like taking candy from a baby. So don't think that it's a hard job. Once you take the bolts out of these holes right here, you got 2 bolts here, and then another bolt over here, and 2 more bolts. Okay, you take those bolts out, and you just wiggle it up, and it pops out. But it's not going to pop out really easy, because what you have is these O-rings. These O-rings right here. These O-rings are on the fuel injector when you buy it from Toyota. These O-rings are right around this area, right here. But you got, you have the top O-rings right here that come with an OEM Toyota fuel injector. Okay? But then you have the seals. They call these seals. These are seals. Nobody is telling you to replace the seals, but you need to replace the seals. I haven't found one video online that talks about replacing the insulator injectors. They're actually seals, but they're called insulator injectors, okay? I'm going to zoom in on this for you. These are insulator injectors, and they go in the bottom. They go down in the bottom, right down here. See right here? That's where they go. Let me zoom in on it. That's the insulator injectors go down here, okay? And here is the number for the insulator injectors, but they're actually seals. Then these are O-rings that come with your injector. And these O-rings are right here at the top. Right here at the top, okay? So you got to get your insulator injectors to go in the bottom, okay? Down here. You get your insulator injectors that go in the bottom, okay? I'm zooming out to let you see the reference point of where they are, okay? So it's really easy. Put new insulator injectors in the bottom, and if you buy some aftermarket fuel injectors, you're going to have to buy these. These are O-rings at the top. These are the O-rings, okay? So you got your O-rings right here, right? They came with my fuel injector from Toyota. They came with it right here at the top. But this operation is so easy, I can't believe it. This is like taking candy from a baby. So don't be dismayed about this operation, because it's the easiest operation I've ever done on a car. It's like taking candy from a baby. It's so easy. I can't believe it. Nobody said on the video how easy it was. When you pull these out, it's going to be a little struggle. I'm talking about like taking candy from a baby. But you're going to you hold this and just pull these out. Okay? And they're going to pop out. So this operation is easy. But remember this. You're going to have to put the insulator injectors at the bottom. Down at the bottom. Down at the bottom. You're going to have to put those insulator injectors in, okay? Down at the bottom. You're going to have to put those insulator injectors in. I'm going to get a light and let you see. But these are the insulator injectors, okay? These are the insulator injectors. And they go at the bottom. Right down here at the bottom. So that's it. That's it. Let me see if I can get a light over here and let you see where they go. Okay, we're going to get a light and you're going to see. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay. Let me see here. I'm too tight. There it is. There it is. That's it. This is where the insulator injectors go. Okay? So I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to leave the light here. Try to get it so it stops wiggling. Okay, that's the insulator injector. I'm going to zoom out so you can see a wide picture. And that's the insulator injector. Okay? And I'm going to slowly zoom in. So you got to put your insulator injectors in, okay? And the seals are up here. They came on my new fuel injectors. The O-rings. The O-rings are right here. Okay? The O-rings are right here. That's the O-ring number. I'm sorry for the camera movement, but I'm doing the best I can because I have not seen anybody on YouTube that has told about these insulator injectors. They're actually seals. But I also haven't heard anybody say how easy it is to do this operation. This is like taking candy from a baby. So do not be afraid to change the fuel injectors out because it's the easiest operation I've ever done on a car, okay? Take care and have a great day.